news coming in from Assam. Here is the latest that we have for you at this point in time. A tweet from the official handle of Assam Police has gone viral. Assam Police on Tuesday morning tweeted a public service announcement asking the owners of a lost 590 kilo marijuana package to come and find it with them. Anyone lost a huge 590 kilograms amount of cannabis or ganja and a truck in and around Chagoli checkpoint last night? Don't panic, we found it. Please get in touch with Dhubri Police. They will help you out for sure. Great job, Team Dhubri, Assam Police tweeted on its official handle on Tuesday night.